of my high school teachers, one of my most favorite teachers actually. This is her bag she got in Africa about 40 years ago. And you can see the leather's all cracked and breaking. We're gonna completely take all the leather accents off except for this one piece. We're gonna repair them, copy them, repair them, and then she doesn't like this zipper. So we're gonna actually cut this zipper out, but not damage the bag, and recolor it, put it back together, and bring this thing back to life. Should be a pretty fun project.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season,